Hi, my name is Bill Bushley, and I'm the Manager of Applications Development here at BTG Labs. When considering bond and adhesion performance, your eyes can give you a lot of information. Oftentimes, our customers focus on joint strength or the force required to separate a bond. But in fact, if you take the time to look at the way a bond fails visually, you'll be able to achieve a lot of information that can help you get to the root cause of poor performance. So what are some tips? An easy way to understand this complex idea is to think about the various ways an Oreo cookie can break. Let's take this first cookie. If we twist apart this cookie, we fail this joint. We can see that there is adhesive on both sides of this joint. Now the adhesive here is going to be the cream filling, and the substrates or the materials here are going to be the cookies. If we have a poor performing joint that exhibits this kind of failure, we can ask ourselves, what is going on with the adhesive? Have we mixed it correctly? Did we cure it properly? Is it the right adhesive to use? Did it come from the right supplier? So we take this next cookie, and as we break it apart, we see that the material fails before anything else does. If we see this kind of failure with a poor performing joint, we can basically understand that the material is our problem. So we can ask questions like, was it prepared correctly? Did it pass our mechanical specs? Did we use a different supplier for this material? Was it stored or damaged prior to bonding? Okay, so for this final cookie, we're gonna find that as we twist it apart, we find that the cream filling is only on one side. This kind of failure is the failure that's most difficult for manufacturers to control. And what's happening here is that the surface of the material is the weakest link in this joint. It's the one that's causing the cookie to fail. And this kind of failure can lead to scrap, it can lead to reworks, it can lead to recalls, and it can lead to cookie experiences that are suboptimal for tasting. A way to prevent this kind of failure before it happens is to monitor the surface quality control prior to bonding and in fact throughout the entire process. This simple visual inspection can help you logically rule out some causes of poor performance and can help you focus your efforts to quickly and efficiently increase the quality of your product. If you're experiencing poor adhesion or joint failure, please feel free to reach out to me or one of our Surface Lab experts via btglabs.com. And remember, save time, inspect your joint failure, and think of the cookie.